Bruno vertical platform lifts give people in scooters and wheelchairs the ability to easily enter and exit their homes. Installed indoors or outdoors, a Bruno vertical platform lift gives alternative access to an entryway, deck, or basement. Just press a button and the ramp automatically folds down. Roll onto the lift, press the button, and enjoy a smooth, quiet ride. Lift heights are available to 4, 6, and 10 feet. With available DC battery power, you can rest assured the lift will operate even in a power outage. A wide range of other options are also available to customize your lift, including top landing gate, power-assisted operation, and more. Bruno vertical platform lifts feature safety sensors to ensure the lift stops if an obstruction is sensed under the lift. Every Bruno vertical platform lift features a 750-pound lift capacity, made in the USA quality, and a 2-year limited warranty. Learn more from an authorized Bruno dealer today.